Hello to you all. So in this short video, I wish to show you basics of the network cell info app. So the purpose of using the network cell info app is to get an idea of what frequency bands the operator are using in Nauru. So we will download the app, install it, make some changes to our phone settings, and then we will collect the data. The data that we will collect, it will be mostly the frequency bands that the operators are using, not the detailed information of these frequency bands. So firstly, you have to make sure that you have data on your phone, and because we will be downloading the app on Google Play Store. So go to Google Play and then search for network cell info lite. So when you find the app, click on it and then just click installed. Apologies, my internet is quite slow, so it may take some time for the download and installation to complete. Okay, while this is downloading, it will download and then it will install. But while this is going on, we will go to our phone's setting and then go to network and internet. Go to my mobile network. See over here, I'm using Vodafone. You can see that, so it's Vodafone. Make sure that you have data on your phone also, because this app needs to work with data. So turn on the mobile data and then click on advanced here. Change the preferred network type. So for the start, we will choose GSM. GSM simply meaning 2G. So in some of our phones, it will actually say 2G. But in this case, this phone shows GSM. So I will select the GSM. So now you will see the GSM is selected. So that's the first test that we will do. So we will check on the GSM network what frequency band is the operator Digicel, for example, in Nauru is using. So once we set that, let's go back to the home screen and check if the completed download. So I believe it's completed, as you can see on my screen here, network cell info lite. So I select the app. Once it's open, you just click skip bottom right hand corner and then select agreeing to the terms and conditions. Click start. Select set access. Click allow. Set access. Click on set access. Click allow and then click OK. So now you're on the app itself. So if you look here, we have ads for the phone on top and then Wi-Fi at the bottom, because I am still connected to the Wi-Fi also. So right now, what I want you to focus on is I want you to take a snapshot of this and then send it to us or to me. But otherwise, you can always look at it. So on your right hand corner, you will see band and then number 1. What this simply means is for the phone for 2G in Vanuatu, in the area I'm staying, they're using band 1, frequency band 1. So if you want to know what is frequency band 1, we'll go to Google, and then we'll select IMT band 1. Okay, so it start. So if you look here, IMD band 1, if I open this first one, so IMD band 1, sorry, click this one. So if you look here, IMD band 1, the first one, column, sorry, row 1, it's 100 megahertz. So they're using 100 megahertz. If we slide across, the uplink is 1920 to 1980. The downlink is 2110, so 2170. So in port filler, Digicel is using the 100 megahertz for 2G. Okay, so now let's look at the other part. We go back to settings, and then let's now change to 3G. So I select setting, I select network and internet, I select mobile networks, my data is still on, select advanced. Now I change the GSM to WCDMA. In other phones, maybe you will have 3G or HSPA. 3G or HSPA. In my case, the phone is WCDMA. These are just technologies whereby these phones are developed. So in the case I'm using the phone, I will be selecting WCDMA only. So I select WCDMA, as you can see, now it's selected. Okay, I get out of here, I go back to my app, select the network cell info app. Now if you look, it says HSPA for the phone. It's now 3G because 3G is selected. So if you look here, it says band number 8. So what is band number 8? So sorry, you have to get a snapshot of this, send it to me also. So if you want to check what is band number 8, you go back to your Chrome and you look. Band number 8 is 900 megahertz. So it's from 880.915 to 95.960. So this is the frequency that Vodafone is using for its 3G in Port Vila, in the area that I'm staying at. Okay, so now we're done with that. Now let's finally go back to settings, select network and internet, select mobile network, select advanced, select private network type, and then now we choose the LTE private WCDMA GSMA. So we select that, and then we get out of here, we go back to network cell info, select network cell info, sorry, and now if you look here, LTE for the phone, it's band 3. Get a snapshot of this, send it to me also. If you just want to know what is band 3, if you want to know what is band 3, so I need to get the so if you want to know what is band 3 for 4G in Port Vila, let's go back to Google and let's look at band 3. It's the 1800 megahertz. So it starts from 1710 to 1785, 1805 to 1880. So this is the frequency band that Vodafone is using for LTE in the area that I am currently staying at. So yes, so that's the end of the app. So what I just want you to do throughout the video is get a snapshot and then send it to me. And you can always do your own research also, but like for this part, just to get a start or the feel of what frequency bands the operators in Nauru are using, you can just use the app to collect this information. Thank you again.